In this video, we'll walk you through a complete unboxing and setup of your new Twister T6 trimmer. Start with the box on the ground so it's easier to lift the parts out. You won't need any tools for this setup, other than a knife to help cut the packaging. In the box, you'll find a plastic bag of components and the hopper. The bag contains the chute, the electrical cord, some Twister stickers, and the manual. Use the handle to lift your T6 out of the box. For extra support, lift from underneath with your other hand. Remove all the plastic. Now let's get set up. Pull back on the lid latches to remove the lid and carefully lift out the tumbler. When installing the chute, line up these 3 tabs to these 3 receptacles. Once in place, you can put the tumbler back into position. Take a second to make sure the grooves on the tumbler are lined up and locked in with the gear on the T6. They should turn together. When installing the hopper, line up these 3 tabs to these 3 receptacles. Now we can reinstall the lid. Make sure these tabs are properly set in place. Move the latches back, and then lock it down. The T6 has a leveling leg to adjust throughput speed. Higher is faster, and lower is slower. During operation, you can adjust the leg to your desired height. Plug in the power cord and turn it on. Your Twister T6 trimmer is ready for action.